The highway code gives a table of shortest stopping distances, d feet, for a vehicle travelling at v miles per hour. The formula used for this table is given by this, d equals av squared plus bv. Two entries in the table are given below. By forming and solving a pair of simultaneous equations in a and b, show that the formula is this. Find the difference between the stopping distances for a car travelling at 65 miles an hour and a car travelling at 70 miles an hour. Many drivers maintain a distance of 50 feet or less when driving on a motorway. Use the formula in part 1 to find the speed at which the shortest stopping distance is 50 feet. Okay. Right. Okay. Right, let's have a look at this then. Part 1, show that d is equal to this. We've got these two pieces of inputs into this formula. So part 1 then. So here let's put them in. So d is 75 is equal to av squared. V is 30. 30 squared is 900. So that's 900a plus v30b. That's our first piece of information. The second one, d is 240 is equal to av squared. 60 squared is 3600 times a plus b, v, and v is 60, so that's bv 60b. That's 2. So let's double the first one and take them away, because then we'll both have 60. So double this one and double this plus double this, and that was just number 1 doubled. And then we can do 3 take 1, can't we? So 3 take 1 now gives 150 take 75 is 75. 1800 take 900. Oh, that's a bit of a mistake, because I'm just doing 3 take 1, which is the same equation. So that isn't going to help, is it? No, the reason I'm doing it is because I want to take 3 take 2. And I'm going to do 2 take 3, because that's the bigger one. 2 take 3, sorry. Gives... that take that is 90. This take this is 1800a, isn't it? And this take this disappears, that's why we're doing it. So a will equal 90, remove the 1800 underneath. So that would be 9 over 180. 9 goes into 18 twice, so that's 1 over 20. So there's a, and then now we can work out b. So b by 1, b then, 30b say, is 75 minus the 900a, and a is 1 over 20, so let's put it in straight away. And then it's 90 over 2, which is 45. 75 take 45 is 30. So therefore b will equal 1, won't it? Move the 30 from times to divide here, and 30 over 30 is 1. So, d then is equal to av squared plus bv, wasn't it? And v squared is 1 over 20. A is 1 over 20, so it's v squared over 20 plus bv, and b was 1. So that's what we wanted to show. And there's our formula. So that's part 1. Find the difference between the stopping speeds for a car travelling at 65 and 70. So part 2 then. V equals 70 first of all then. D will equal 70 squared over 20 plus 70. That's the distance at 70. 4900 over 20 plus 70. 2 into 490 goes 245. Plus 70 is 315. so that's feet, and V equals 65. D at 65 then is 65 squared over 20 plus 65. So let's just tap that in. 65 squared divided by 20 plus 65. 276.25. 276. I just need to look at that, double check it. 0.25. So the difference then, because we're working out the difference between the stopping speeds at these, so answer then is equal to this distance, 315, take away 276.25 feet. 315, 276, let's just say 277, 23, 30, 38, I think it is. 38.75 feet. And let's just tap that in the calculator. 315, just to double check. 38.75. Now, the 0.75 bit, there's 12 inches, isn't there, in the hole? So that's 3/4, so times that by 12, we get 9 inches. So you could write 38 feet, 9 inches, if you wished, but 38.75 feet is fine. Okay, so that's the answer. Part 2. Part 3. Many drivers maintain a distance of 50 feet or less. Use one to find the shortest stopping distance. Find the shortest stopping distance is 50 foot. Let me just read out. Find the speed at which the shortest stopping distance is 50. When the shortest stopping distance is 50 foot. So let's put that in then. So part 3. So 50 will be the distance, and that's v squared over 20 plus v times by 20 all the way through. 1000 is v squared plus 20v. So all I did was times by 20 here, here, and here. So v squared plus 20v minus 1000 equals 0. Okay, so what do we get here then? 50 20s. Or 5 times 10 times 2 times 10. 20 hundreds. No, 20 50s or 100 10s or 25 40s. I'm going to work it out by solving the quadratic then, because I can't seem to work out a simple answer here. So I'm going to, so v equals, then use the formula minus b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. Now, okay, so we got minus 20. Now this is 4,000, which is a huge number, so it's minus 20 plus, because we want a positive speed. This is 4,400. Oops. 4,400 all over 2. So let's tap that in the calculator then. Minus 20 plus the square root of 4400. That's the top number, so that's equal to that. And then it's answer divided by 2. Okay, minus 10, and let's get the decimal. 23.16, so it's 23.2. 23.166, wasn't it? 66. miles per hour, which equals 23 mph. And that's rounded to the nearest whole number. To nearest whole number. Okay, good.